welcome back to my channel for a new LEGO video. Today we have one of my favorite video games, Halo. You can find this one in the video games Halo 2. We have seen it for the first time. One of my favorite games, also of the Sega. Probably, yes, Halo 1 was my favorite, Halo 2, no, maybe Halo Reach. Yes, Halo Reach was very good. But stay in the argument. Today I made the Halo McCannon, the McCannon station. I already made this one in the past with a different scale, a little smaller. You can see the link somewhere here or in the description of the video. And today I want to show you the second version, bigger, in the same scale of this one. If you didn't see my previous video, I wanted to start a new series with these two creations. My final intention is to make a little diorama. I would like to have 5 ships of the UNSC and 5 ships of the Covenant fleet, at least 5 ships. So this one is just the second of long-term creations, but let's start with this one. Okay, so as you can see here, I already parked the previous creation, the Frigate. Can have 2 frigates, one on each side, but for now I would like to take it out because I want to show you only this one for now. View mode, no, not in the desert, no, yes. The space one is perfect for us. So let's start from the first, okay, from here. In the Halo 2 game you start just, I think it's this place here, the second video games, and then you have to make all this long way to reach the upper part of the McCannon. There is not so much to show, but I think little details like this one, that I have no idea what is it actually, but more similar to the original one. Here you can find the hole of the gun. This one is actually a rail gun, this big part. And this one in the video games, and actually also in this one and 2, yes, these 2, you can move. Actually also in the video game when the guns needs to fire, you can clearly see this one going up, and then fire and goes down like this. And I wanted to make this one working also in this scale. Also here we have the little bridge. Take the ship back here. We have these little bridges here that you can actually see put closer to the ship docked in the dock here. So people can just use them to go inside the space station. I think that's all. There is not so much to say. It's a very small creation, but I'm really proud of it. I really like it. And very important, I forgot. Here I left this part for a little dock. So if you want to keep this one in place, if you build this in real life and you want to keep it in place, the biggest flat thing you have, for example this one, to make it steady like this. And of course you can do the same for the Frigate here, adding some transparent pieces if you have like this. And as I said, I would like to make a diorama at the end with many ships, at least 5 of each side of the war, so 5 UNSC and 5 Covenant ships, and all in this scale. So the biggest one will be for the UNSC, the Infinity. I think it's the biggest one. In real life should be 5 kilometers. And of course the same for the Covenant, so I think the biggest one will be the carrier. The Covenant carrier, and should be 5 kilometers long too. I need to check, but more or less these are the biggest ship. The next one I'm not sure. I have the Heltron class, the Pillar of Autumn, already half built, so probably I would like to finish it, so we can have 3 of the UNSC ships, and then I would like to start with some Covenant ships. From a smaller one, some Covenant frigate that are of the mostly the same size of this one, or a little bigger, and leave the biggest one for the far future because are more difficult, will be more detailed, and I would like to wait a little before make the Infinity or the Covenant carrier. But don't worry, I'll make also some Covenant ships that many of you asked me, but they are really difficult because they have really round shapes that are difficult to achieve with these small sides. If I make much bigger, you can easily make round parts. In this size is a little difficult, I have to spend much time on them, but don't worry, I really would like to have a little diorama with all the ships on one side firing at each other, and make a final video with this space battle. And for you who have seen the video until here, I would like to show you some spoilers while I'm speaking. Here you can see some spoilers of the next creation that are coming in the next weeks. As always, of course, if you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, share the video with your friends, your mother, your dog, your cat, watch it 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Okay, I'm kidding, just your dog and maybe your grandma. I think your grandma would like to see the Halo creations. And for now that's all, and see you next Saturday with a new video. As always, every Saturday, remember there is a new video. Subscribe and click on the bell to receive the notifications. And that's all, so see you next week with a new video. Bye!